Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the workspace safe and accessible. Once parked and the 12V is isolated, fold the rear seats and clear the console area so nothing obstructs removal. Use plastic trim tools to pry the lower kick panels and expose the fastener heads. This prevents scratching. Once done, remove visible screws and keep them organized. Because the console hides 6/8 fasteners and 2 electrical connectors, you'll need exposed before lifting the assembly. You now remove the remaining screws under the armrest and beneath the cup holders, using the correct Torx drivers so you don't strip heads. Once screws are out, start at the rear. Depress the clip tabs and lift the rear edge slightly, then slide the console rearward. This clears the dash retainers. Make sure to locate and release the HVAC vent clips and unplug USB and power harnesses by depressing their locking tabs. Be gentle to avoid damaging fragile plastic connectors. Now lift the console straight up and out, keeping a firm, even pull to avoid bending inner trim. Once free, set it on soft padding and inspect grommets, vent ducts, and connector pins for damage. Replace any compromised parts before reinstall. If you hit resistance, stop. Make sure no screws or clips remain engaged. A common troubleshooting tip: if the console won't move, recheck under the armrest and inside cup holder wells for one missed fastener or clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.